And 5, all right, let's lift the head up. Now, let's continue the journey a little bit in a slightly different manner. First, let's move one block over to the side, stack one block in its highest position, then we're gonna turn the opposite direction. There's 2 ways to do this movement. We can sit simple cross-legged, actually many ways. Simple cross-legged, you can straighten the legs, or we can sit in Virasana position, which will allow the hips to have just a little bit of a lift. Make sure the strap is nearby, and then let's get the feeling of the upper back, so right behind the sternum, getting supported. I'm gonna go a little higher. Right behind the sternum, there we go. Getting that big lift from the block, and then dropping the head down. Now, you can start with the hands by the side, grabbing hold of the strap, then get it nice and open, relatively tight grip, and then inhale, let's bring the arms above the head, and we'll hold that for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3. So we're not completely relaxed here. This is not totally passive, especially if your hands are off the ground. You're gonna actively be lifting the strap and pulling the strap away. If your hands are on the ground, we're gonna address that in a moment. And we wanna actively be sinking the butt towards the ground and letting the muscles of the upper back lift themselves around the block. We'll stay 2 more breaths, 1 more breath, and then release. Then we take the hands and we'll interlace the fingers underneath the head, and we'll hold that for 5 breaths. Actively draw the elbows in. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take the hands down on the ground. Walk them a little bit in and stay. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Take the hands onto the head, lift the head up. Now we can repeat 1 more time, or for those of you that felt like maybe your hands were too easily on the ground, we're just gonna build a little bit of a block tower. So slide the block behind, working this progression. Take the block a little bit higher. Now we take a little higher. This should give everyone a little bit of a spicy feeling. So we're looking for a little challenge to get that feeling in the upper back. All right. And then let it hang. Now it's going to be more difficult to let the hips reach to the ground and get the right position in the block where we feel that the spine can move and it's not restricted. All right, that's good. We find the strap again. And then again, get that feeling of pull. And this time, let's add a little activation. So we inhale, we lift it up. And then exhale, down. Inhale, we lift it up. Exhale, stretch. Inhale, we lift it up. Exhale, over the top of the head. Inhale, we lift it up. Exhale, over the top of the head. Inhale, we lift it up. Exhale, now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let the strap go. Interlace the fingers behind the head. Hold. Isolate the triceps. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, hands on the ground. Walk, walk, walk. And then drop the hips. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let it slide out, dropping the hips. Hold under the head. Inhale, we bring it up. Push your feet down, and then come up. And draw the navel a little bit in. And then let's fold all the way forward.